Alright, what's good, YouTube? Today we're gonna talk about eating 3 eggs every day for 1 month. That is an experiment which I did for myself to see what will happen because everybody talks about how they're eating 10 plus eggs, But, well, anyway, man, you already know, man, eating 3 eggs every day for 1 month because you need to start somewhere. So today we will talk about my body after eating 3 eggs for one whole month. How my strength increased and my hunger decreased. And if I will do it again, man, and here also some pros and cons. So let's go. My body after eating 3 eggs for 1 month. What I noticed is that you feel fuller and more satisfied. You're not as hungry anymore all the time. And it's pretty good if you're trying to cut some weight and also increase your protein levels. Eggs have a lot of protein and healthy fats, which makes you feel full for longer periods of time. And I don't really like eating breakfast, so eating eggs, just 3 eggs on a daily basis wasn't that hard. It was pretty good. So how my strength increased and my hunger decreased. I've gotten strong on all my exercises, especially the compound exercises, squat, bench, deadlift, pull-ups, dips, overhead press, my power cleans and other stuff like that. I actually stayed at my same weight, but I lost some body fat, or more precisely, you could see less fat on my body. So yeah, I also had higher energy levels and my skin also cleared up due to the biotin in eggs, which helps your skin and also your hair, if I'm not wrong. So here are some pros and cons, and if I will do it again, some pros include that they are high in nutrients, they got high protein, vitamins and minerals, like vitamin D, B12, and choline. They help maintain muscle mass and helps in muscle repair due to the high protein. You can help in weight loss. You feel fuller for longer periods of time, which means you won't be needing to eat more food, and it's easy to prepare. You just boil water, put in 3 eggs, and that's it. Some cons are they are pretty high in cholesterol. You got risk of illnesses. For example, if the eggs are raw or undercooked, you could get some salmonella and potential allergies. Certain people might be allergic to consuming eggs, so if that's you, then I wouldn't recommend eating 3 of them every day. That's it, man. Like and subscribe, it helps me out. Comment questions on what are the videos you want me to do. And yeah, man, thank you.